welcome to my channel. My name is Valeria and I'm your violin teacher. I already explained you how to choose your first violin. If you haven't seen that video, I'll leave for you link down below or simply click on the icon at the end of this video. Today we will talk about the parts of violin and we will start from here. This part that reminds us a shell, it's called scroll, but actually it's a head of the violin. Here you can see 4 pegs. They are keeping our strings tense. This peg is for string E, this peg is for string A, this peg is for string D, and this peg is for string G. The strings and the pegs, they have to be all the time in the same order, like I told you before. Otherwise you will mix all strings, and here in the peg box they will go across each other. Big mistake. This small black thing here, it's nut, and straight after nut we have fingerboard. Here our fingers will run later on. Neck, bridge, and if you noticed, one side of the bridge it's a little bit higher and another side of the bridge it's a little bit lower. So remember, on the higher side it's a place for G string, and on the lower side it's place for E string. Tailpiece and bottom, F-holes, chin rest. And if you look like this inside of the violin, you will see a small tiny stick, and this is sound post. Never ever try to move it, to touch it, or to, I don't know, to do something with it, because this is very important part of the violin. First of all, if you move this part, it might affect your sound and not in good way. And second of all, you might have some cracks on your violin later on. So please don't touch sound post. So this is all parts of the violin. As well, we have shoulder rest. Shoulder rest helping us keeping violin on our shoulder. Just like this. And this will be our next lesson, how to hold violin on our shoulder. And to not miss that lesson, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and you'll learn something new and even more.